2 crushed green chilies, 1 teaspoon salt. Add 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon tandoori masala, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala. Add 2 tablespoon curd and 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Mix everything well. Kashmiri chili adds color without too much heat. Now add 500 gram chicken pieces. Coat well with the marinade. Keep aside for 10 minutes. Marinate properly for best flavor. Heat 2 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add the marinated chicken. And cook on medium heat. Karai chicken gives a rich and bold taste. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. Then flip. Cook again for 10 minutes until tender. Now for the smoky flavor, place a hot charcoal. Drizzle a little oil and cover for 5 minutes. Tandoori dishes are known for their smoky flavor. In another pan, add 1 tablespoon butter, 2 to 3 cloves garlic. Add the cooked chicken. And cook on high heat for 2 minutes. Chicken is rich in protein. Curd helps in digestion and tenderizing. Homemade food is more hygienic. You can control oil and spice level. Your flavorful tandoori karai chicken is ready. Serve hot with naan or rice. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow